Good morning to everybody. Let us see the continuation of Unit 1, the natural resources. So coming to the second part, energy resources. So energy resources is nothing but natural resources such as oil, gas, coal, wood, etc. can be used to produce energy. These are said to be the energy resources. Energy may be defined as any property which can be converted into work or the capacity to do work. Some forms of energy are immediately used to do work, while others require some process of transformation. Energy sources. What are the energy sources? So it can be divided into two: conventional source, non-conventional source. So conventional source comes under fossil fuel, hydroelectric, thermoelectric. Non-conventional source: solar energy, wind energy, biogas, tidal energy, geothermal energy. So let us start with the solar energy. Solar energy is nothing but the energy that we get directly from the sun. Nuclear fusion reactions occurring inside the sun release enormous amount of energy in the form of heat and light. So it is the alternative coal and the nuclear power. So it is obtained in the area of 1/40th of Sahara Desert and it supplies energy requirements of the whole world. So based on the solar energy, we can use that utilization of energy in the form of solar water heater, photo conversion, solar cell, photovoltaic cell, etc. The next comes to know is wind energy. Wind energy is nothing but moving air is called wind, and energy recovered from the force of the wind is called wind energy. The energy possessed by the wind is because of its high speed and harnessed can be made use of the windmills. So wind power or wind energy describes a process by which the wind is used to generate mechanical power or electricity. So wind turbine, if you see the diagram, from this wind turbines converts the kinetic energy into the mechanical power. So the minimum speed required for working of the wind generator is 15 km per hour. So you can use it to operate water pumps, to run flour mill, and also used to produce electricity. Advantages: it does not cause any air pollution, it is very cheap and economic, and it is renewable. The next one is ocean thermal energy. See, ocean thermal energy is nothing but water at the surface of the sea is hot, whereas water in the deeper sea is cold. The difference in the temperatures used to transform the energy is in ocean thermal energy plants. So ocean thermal energy is also called as OTEC. If you see the diagram, we can use it at the surface of the water at the depth of 2 kilometers. The warm surface water is used to boil a volatile liquid like ammonia. The vapors of ammonia are used to turn the turbines of the generator. The cold water at the bottom is pumped to cool and condense the vapor into the liquid. So advantages: power generated from OTEC is renewable and pollution free. Electric power generator can also be used to produce hydrogen. Tidal energy. So tidal energy is nothing but the periodic rise and the fall of water level of sea, which are caused by the action of sun and moon on the water on earth. They are mainly caused by the gravitational attraction of the moon and sun on the oceans. 70% of the tides are produced by the force due to the moon. The tidal energy can be harnessed by constructing tidal bridge. During high tide, the seawater flows into the reservoir of the barrage and turns a turbine, which in turn produces electricity by rotating the generator. During low tide, when the sea level is low, the seawater stored in the barrier reservoir flows out into the sea and again turns into the turbines. In India, Gulf of Cambay, Gulf of Kutch, and Sudartan's details are taken as a tidal power sites. So health, safety, prosperity, contribution are the key factors for the discrimination, safe, healthy process, adequate income, and culturally relevant knowledge. So save earth, save life. Thank you.